Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Spellcoin. We're going to see if there's any potential for profit. And I do see some, so I'm going to share it with you guys. But for those of you guys that are just came across my channel, what I do is I jump into trades. I let you guys know what the entry point's going to be, and then I document what my take profit point's going to be. And more often than not, it swings back up and touches it, and cha-ching. Okay, so if it's happening more often than not, then you're ahead of the game. Okay, and there are a lot of people are down right now from the whole year. So don't be worried because people are still making money, and I'm going to show you guys how you can still make money. Okay. But before I do, this Sunday, we're having a Thin Men's wallet giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of these wallets. This one's a silver one, and I'll have a drawing this Sunday. I'll videotape it, and I'll let you know who wins. It's free to enter. So if you have a fat wallet, if your wallet's falling apart, if your girlfriend makes fun of your wallet or your family makes fun of your wallet, then this would be a perfect wallet for you. Okay. So I'll have a drawing, and if you guys are interested in entering the drawing, just two things to do. Real quick, look down below the video down here. There is a thumbs up icon. If you guys could click it with your finger, tap it with your mouse. And the other thing is that just add a comment down below somewhere and say Spellcoin. Whatever you want to say, I love Spellcoin, or I'm in on Spellcoin for the last year, whatever you want to say. Just say Spellcoin, okay? And you'll be entered in on the drawing. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys. We're going to keep this thing moving. All right, don't leave. Okay, so guys, what I do is I draw bases on charts. I draw these lines. And what happens is more often than not, price action, once it breaks those bases, it'll usually swing back up, okay? Spellcoin has been dropping, for the last year, just like all the coins. The last time I saw big drops like this, it took a year to swing back, okay? So, but you just have to sit, you have to be patient and just wait, okay? It just means that you're buying in the dip and you're waiting for it to come back around. I'm going to show you that they come back around. All right. It broke this space right here, this line, shot down, came back up and touched it. Didn't go above it. It just touched it. Okay. So when I do my take profits, if I'm going to wait for it to go all the way back up, I do not set my take profit above those lines. Okay. I set it either at that line or I set it down below that line. Okay. So it broke again on this line and it came back up and hit it. It broke this line, came back up, came and hit it there. It broke this one, came back up. It broke this one, came back up. It broke this one, came back up. It broke this one right here, shot back up. It broke again, came back up. It broke that one, came back up over here. So you guys can see if you had bought anywhere in this area, you could have waited for it to come back up, right? Same thing here. Could have waited for it to come back up, or a little one right there, just come right back up in those two little areas. Okay. So let's keep going here. All right. If you're seeing some stuff you haven't seen before, please look down below the video and don't forget to do one of these. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me see that I'm helping you guys with information that you guys are finding of value. Okay. All right. Let me keep going on this. Okay. So let's move this over here a little bit. Okay. So let's keep going. So it broke a base right down here, a small little one, came back up. It broke this one, lingered down here, came back up. It broke that one, came back up. That one came back up. That one real quick, that one real quick, that one real quick. And this is kind of where we're at. Okay. This is what I'm seeing on potential take profits. Now, because we're in a bear market, I am going with lower targets that are easier able to be hit. Okay. So this is kind of what I'm seeing right now. It's at 0.00133. I'm seeing take profits all the way up through here, up to this line roughly. Okay. This is a longer hold. These are shorter holds anywhere in here. It doesn't have to be 0.014. It could be anywhere going up here. You choose your own. Keep in mind, this isn't advice. This is just how I trade. So it's just my opinion. But if this was a bull market, guys, this is what I'm seeing. Okay. If you guys love Spell and you're in it for the long term, this is kind of what I'm seeing right here. On the top swing back, 0.013, all the way up, well, right around that area, okay? That's a long ways to go. It could get there. It dropped at the beginning of 2022, but on the bottom of the bull market, I'm seeing somewhere in the 0.76, so right in this area, right over here, okay? But I'm just going to play these little areas right here because they're more easily able to be obtained. Okay. I'm not looking for a Hail Mary. I just want to get in, wait for a while, relax, and let the prices start to come back up. And then I will set my take profit. Okay. So let's quickly take a quick look at this. Okay. And see what kind of profits can be made. Here is my spreadsheet. So what I do is I come in here and I just say, okay, I have this much money to play with. Let's throw a couple scenarios. Let's just say like 200, 500, and we'll say 1,000. Okay. We got the price right now at 0.00133. So I've got that entered in over here. And then what I have over here is I have the other take profit points. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter those in here. This will automatically be calculated to tell me what my potential profit is. Okay, so let's go ahead and start plugging these in. So at the bottom, bare minimum, on $200, I'm making 5%. Okay, I know some of you guys, even when I first got started, I was like, 2%, I made 2%. I was like, kind of happy, but I wasn't. But then I was, but then I wasn't. Anyway, so now I'm making like a lot more. So let's try 0.002. 0.002. Look, 50% of my money, 0.002. That's really good. Let's try 0.00025. Look at that. On $200, I'm making 88% of my money. Okay, 0.0029. Boom, 118% of my money. If I put 1,000 in, I'm making 1,180. And that's just up to 0.0029. That's not even that far away. Let's go take a look. 0.0029 right there. That little line right there. If this thing could jump back up there, it could, based upon history. It comes up more often than not. We're in a bear market, so we just kind of have to wait for the bull market to start to creep back up. And look at this. Before you guys are like, this looks odd. Let's go see. Let's blow this thing up. So right now it looks like it's kind of level, right? Down here. Looks like it's just shooting across the screen. But let's blow this thing up a little bit. Look, it's been creeping up, right? Since June 17th, June 18th, it's just gradually making and climbing and making its way up, okay? It might go down a little bit more, but it could keep swinging up this way, all right? So if you guys want a copy of the spreadsheet, I'll give it to you guys for free if you want. All you have to do is, first of all, follow me on YouTube. There's a little red icon right here. Just tap it and then subscribe. Click the bell when it pops up and choose all, so you're notified when I come up with the next video. But let me show you how you can get that spreadsheet if you want. So you can track all your own stocks or crypto, so you always know where you're at. So over here is my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points. You can follow me over there. I am also on TikTok under Investing Points, and I'm over on Twitter too. Twitter. You can follow me over there too. But anyway, send me a DM message over here and let me know what email address you want me to send it to, and I'll email you the spreadsheet for free, okay? So thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget, if you guys have friends that are in crypto and you think this is something interesting that they might be interested in, please send them a link to the video, and I'll be doing more videos, but give me some ideas of what you guys want me to do it on, okay? Thanks for watching. You can add those in the comments below, and have a great night. Bye-bye.